everyone, what is up, LV-AG and Games here, and welcome back to another gameplay. Today is the first battle in the lane, so it's a brand new road bowling battle, but it's in the lanes this time, and today I've been joined by MikiProblox. So anyways guys, this game's got a big Easter update, so let's go inside and have a look at this. So the game has been updated recently, so we came to check it out and do our first video, the first battle of the series. So we're going to go over here now. Let's do lane 12, hold the select, and then we'll just stick a full list on and all of that. So yes, okay, begin playing. So we're going to get started now. So as always, it's my turn, so I've got to pick an orange ball for this one. Let's go 11 ball right for the first one, and let's go down straight towards the middle pin, and hopefully I'll get a strike first try. And it's 8 pins, and if you just look at that, king pin just had bunny ears on it. How funny that looks. Alright, now I'm going to use an orange ball, then we'll throw it over here. Oh yeah, we'll accept that. Oh my god, I did not notice that until that came up. Okay, but that's fine, I've got a spare at least. Alright, good start, got a spare. So yeah guys, this is the new road bowling, by the way guys. So we might be moving over here to start some new bowling battle videos. Oh my god, he's straight down there. Not bad, 8 pins is really good. So let's have a look if there's new balls in here. Oh my god, 3,000 pins for a moonwalker. Wow, okay, that's a lot, okay. Well, I've got every other ball right now. And is this going to be a spare? Yes, it is. Good one. Right, we're all off to a good start. An Easter pen, indeed. So, yeah, there is more balls. I've got all these balls here that are fair. Let's use the Mother Nature one. 11 ball, I always pick 11. Let's go over here. A bit to the left here. Hopefully, Bart's just joined the game. You're lucky that you've got access, mate. You get a strike. Get in! Wow, exactly what I needed. What's up, Bart? Here he comes. We're recording. Join us. Yes, I can access you. We're okay. Oh my god, I just missed it. Yeah, that was 7 pins I saw. Sorry, I wasn't concentrating by looking at that. Just now, mate, we just started. Roy on the second frame. Oh, great. So you're going to join us straight away. Okay, so it's back to me now. Let's use a Samarta ball, 11 ball rate. Or a bit far to the middle there, so I'm going to put a bit of spin to the right there, hopefully, and didn't pay off. That was rubbish. I'm not sure if Bart's going to be playing, or maybe just spectating, so let's use I bet, this would be ridiculous for me to use a pink ball. I'm going to use a pink ball, okay, so we're going to go to the side here. Oh my god, that looks tempted, but am I going to get a split spare? Unbelievable that looks, mate. Literally got a split spare. Unbelievable that was. Alright, Mickey, it's your turn now. I'm in the lead so far. Off to a good start. Nice one. Through it. Let's see. Oh, that's fine. That's 6 pins there, as it says on there. Yes, I will accept it. So welcome to the game, Bart. So yeah, guys. So the first person has to set up the game, and everyone else has to join in. So just have to accept it. Now, Galaxy Boy 29085 has also joined the game. Wow, we're getting a lot of people in. Bloody heck. Wait, what just happened? What just happened? I don't know. Wait, Bart, is it your turn?
Bruh.
Oh, never mind. He left. That's a shame, innit? Oh, disconnected. Okay, I see that. So let's use a lettuce ball. 11 ball way. Let's go to the bit to the side there. Right far to the right there. A little bit. Did it work? That pin is moved there, but it's still paid on to get another strike. Nice one. We have one new player. So say hello to Bart2TP, Galaxy Boy 29085. So welcome to the video, guys. You're on YouTube. You're lucky though. Oh, that's good. 8 pins there. So I think Galaxy Boy is going to do a bit of practicing while we are doing our stuff. Okay, yeah. He's straight down it. Oh, bad luck, mate. I know, right, so we're on the 5th frame now. That was quick. So let's go use some more. Let's use that orange football, 11 ball ray. Oh, I've got to go a bit left here. Got to do it. Okay. Here we go. Is this going to be good? Bruh. Very challenging split, but hopefully we'll get it like last time. I'll just put my all straight away. Let's use 11. Let's go a bit over here. Okay, I've got to put a bit of spin to the right there. I have to, mate. Will it pay off, though? Unfortunately, it didn't. Alright, Mickey, it's back to you now, mate. Nice merch you're wearing. Oh, he's wearing my merch. Oh, that's straight down the middle there. Oh, he's got it. Okay. Nice one, mate. Good one. Tell you what, that was a good shot there, mate. Oh, my God. The game's going fast so quickly, mate. Let's use a red ball. 11 ball weight. Oh, I've got to put a bit to the left here. Is that going to be enough for another strike? And it was good one. Yes, I'm getting really good into this straight away. I'm looking forward to be beating these noobs in my new bowling battle videos. LOL! That was 8 pins there. That was really good though. Have a look at the scoreboard, mate. That's really close, man. Anyone could win this now, or Bob is finding the way of Mickey. And he left the game again and got back in. How many times is he going to get disconnected tonight? Right, I need to quickly check the board. I'm on 98 and Mickey's on 80. Bloody hell, this will be close. So let's use a tomato ball. Lemon ball, mate. Oh, a bit to the side there. I'll put a bit spin to the left there. Hopefully it's going to be a double strike. Oh, you little 6 to 16. Wait, there's numbers on this? Okay, I see, okay. Right, 10 ball 8, bit to the left, play it safe, go straight ahead and you done it. Look at that. Simples! Come on, Mickey, let's see if you can try and beat me this time. Oh, he's straight in, man, that was quick. And he rushed it a bit, but he got 7 pins. Okay. Oh, hello, Mega Fun Man 123. Oh, unlucky, mate. Alright, back to me now. Still got 3 more frames to go now, so let's use an orange throw. I feel like an idiot for doing this, but I'm going to use a 6 ball. I just want to check it out anyway. Oh my god. Oh, you idiots. That thing just got in my way. But it was fine. No, I got 8 pence at least. Come on, ball. Okay. Let's just use some more. Let's use a purple ball. Oh, imagine if I use a 16 ball right now, mate. Okay, that's too much. I feel this will be a bad time to happen now. That was close. And look at that, we passed 2,000 pins. That's good. I think I'm on a roll now to grab the epic face ball. Literally 10,000 pins to get that face. Oh my god. As I was saying, I need 8,000 more points. I'm going to do a bit of an E-dance now. Let's do an E-dance. Yes, dance that ass off. Mickey, still you go, mate. Oh. Mickey, stupid auto-correcting thing just made my spelling messed up. Come on, mate, he's going to be out of time. He's still got 1 more pin lockdown. No, he's not going to have enough time to complete it, is he? Oh, just made it. But he did it anyway. What a shot. Call me Mike instead. Okay, then. So, 2 more frames to go now. I could possibly win. So, let's use an 11 ball. I mostly pick 11, okay? Let's knock the kingpin down and knock them all down. Let's go! Alright, let's use more balls and let's pick. I think I'm going to pick a red ball, 11 ball right over here to the side there, and we're going down there to get this nice one. What an unbelievable score, man. I think Mickey can still win if he gets 4 strikes. Alright, that's the first one there, so things could be going down here if I make a big mistake. Doesn't matter though, because I might still win this anyway. I think I already won this anyway. Let's just knock all these BS pins down. Come on, let's give this a good turkey. That's the first one. Good start. Okay, right. Let's see if we can get a turkey at this final part. Okay. Purple ball, 11 ball, right? Oh, okay, got to go this side, mate. I don't think that's going to be good enough. And I knew it was going to be so bad. Never mind, no. We could finish off with a good score, okay? About 185, but okay. Let's go over here, a bit to the side, and just rush it all just to end it off because I already won. There we go. Have a look at that. 185 is my final score. Wow, that was really good for our first battle, though. Let's be honest. Mickey, no more E-dancing, mate. Go on, follow your ball and finish this off, okay? That was 6 pins in it. Yes, it is. Hey everyone, I'm going to join the E-Dance Club. This is the E-Dance Club. I'm going to dance along. Look at that. Everyone's doing an E-Dance. That is brilliant. I love this. Fortunately, this game is still early access, but it will be free soon to everyone, so we can do actual videos on this. Mickey, stop messing around. Still your go, man. Come on, Mickey. It's your last go. Come on, make it quick and fast. I bet you can unlock it down. That's it. 1 more extra go, and we're finished. Here comes everyone else now. There's a lot of people just joining in now. 6 people in the game. Hello, RBRX. Okay, it's my turn. I don't know, but your name's still on there. I don't know what's going on. But apparently, we're finished now. And the final score is Bart's got nothing. MikiProblox got 154. First place, 185. Gamer Louis 1. LV-AG. So, what a win. That was a good game. First battle, and it was a win. So, yeah, guys, we're going to leave it here for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you did enjoy. We're going home now. And if you did, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. And until next time guys, see you on in the next one. See ya guys, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.